Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So as you must be seeing in the title of the video that your board exams are going to be held in January. So this is really a big shocking news for all those students who have to appear in their board exams in 2021. So watch the video till last to know the reality of this thing and whether this thing is valid or just a hearsay or you can say rumor that you have to see. So actually earlier CBSE has reduced the syllabus. We all know that syllabus has been reduced up to 30% in all the you can say courses or all the subjects, and we were means all the teachers and students and schools were assuming that board exams will be delayed, right? But now recently there is an update in the newspapers. Means I'm not saying this thing at my own site, rather it has come in the newspapers. I'm going to show the names of the newspapers also, that now board will either shorten the syllabus or delay the exams by 45 to 60 days, since the normal classes across the country were suspended for more than 7 months. Means earlier it was being assumed, but now you can see what is coming in the news, that as per news agency PTI, several school principals in the national capital and adjoining areas are not in favor of postponement of CBSE board exams in the next year, in the view of continuing closure of schools due to COVID-19 pandemic. Means school principals are not in favor of this. So now you can see this complete report, that CBSE likely to conduct class 10th and 12th board exams earlier than expected in 2021. So what is the reason behind that? That also you have to see, that keeping in mind that competitive examinations such as NEET, JEE, etc., the Central Board of CBSE means CBSE is likely to conduct class 10th and 12th board exams 21 earlier than expected. But here you can see, however, no official announcement has been made in this regard from CBSE. Means this thing is in news, but CBSE has not announced anything officially as yet. But we can expect that if something is coming out, there may be some truth in that, and soon you may get an official statement from CBSE also. So guys, it's time to just be ready, and now you all have to start studying very hard. So here you can see that it has been reported that CBSE has completed the process of list of candidates examination forms LOC. So I think all of you know that this process has also been completed in your schools. Means everything is going on timely. So we cannot expect that board exams will be delayed. Moreover, several schools affiliated with the board are also following their timetable, and they are trying to complete the syllabus so that the crucial board examinations could be held on time. So this is another proof that there may not be any further delay in your exams. So now I want to tell all the students who have to appear in board exams or in any other school exams that now this is high time that you gear up for your exams. Don't have any misconception that your exams will be delayed or this and that. कहीं बाद में पता चले कि आप सोचते ही रह गए और आपके हाथ में डेट शीट भी आ गई. Even there is news that very soon CBSE is going to release the date sheet also. So come on guys, just make a timetable, start studying, because it's already very late. So many months have passed and you guys were just thinking कि पेपर होंगे नहीं होंगे, सिलेबस होगा कैसे होगा, क्या नहीं होगा, क्या होगा. But now this is already very late. So there is not much time left for your exams. November is almost half gone. Now only December and January 31st. Means it is assumed that your exams are going to start from 31st of January. So this is a big news for all of you. So just open up your books, check your syllabus and subscribe to the channel if you are planning to prepare for your board exams, because now regularly I'm going to upload many more videos related to 12th class, 10th class, and I'll be providing you complete support and guidance. So share this video with others also, because everybody needs to know this thing and like the video also.